Fixed. There was a problem communicating with Google servers. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. Next, launch the settings application on your device and then just scroll down to the option of apps. Now tap on manage apps and all you need to do is search for Google Play Store. So just search for Google Play Store over here, and as you search for the application over here, it will pop up in the bottom. So you can just keep searching for the application and then tap on it. Here you need to tap on the clear data option at the bottom right corner of the screen. So tap on clear data. Now tap on clear all data, and when you clear all data, you'll have a refreshed or reset Google Play Store. So you can just go back and relaunch Google Play Store, and this might help you fix the issue. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.